Alright, hello guys. Today we're going to be doing the chili challenge. So as you can see, we have some bird's eye hot chili peppers, and we're gonna try and each eat one once, and then the first guy to pick up the milk and drink has to get shot in the butt with a paintball gun.
And just to get things clear, this is Liam the H-Man, I'm a scapegoat, and this is Cloudanator.
Make the ground shake.
The bad thing about this is I hate milk.
So we'll start off with one chili, and if no one grabs the milk, we'll add another one. Let's go. I choose this one.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1. No.
How you doing, guys?
I'm fine.
It's not bad.
Suck in my mouth.
Well, this is opening my sinuses.
Okay, I'm screw this.
Yes. Thank you.
It doesn't help.
So what this means is, Christian will be shot with a paintball gun. Let me take some of it with milk. This is really bad, guys. So guys, this is what happens when you eat hot chilies. The struggle is real. The struggle is real.
Just to let you know some people do those ghost pepper challenges where we little kids, we're 16, so not a chance. And this is still bloody hot. This is the part where I get to shoot Christian because he lost the chili challenge and because I won it because I drank the milk last. So, and I get to shoot him in the ass, which is a bit worse. So let's see how it goes. Have fun.
That is how I know you go on.
Oh, I missed.
You idiot!
Liam missed Christian in the last one. We will be doing this again. So 3, 2, 1. And there he has been shot.
I missed him by quite a bit.
But you still hit him in the leg.
Well, okay, well, hey guys, after 2 takes, because I missed Christian the first time, unluckily, not on tape. But the second time, if you would like to turn around, I still missed him, but it's close enough.
I'm probably gonna have scars. Well, I had to eat a chili and get shot twice, so today kind of sucked ass. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe our 3 YouTube channels, Escape Goat,
Liam the H-Man.
and Cloudanator 69.
And if you don't, this Russian will come to your house, he will find you, and he will kill you.